this sticker kit is so fun with little kids and with like older kids too. But my favorite part about doing it is doing it with my little cousin. I'm finishing it because it was so fun
Yeah.
doing it with her.
Yeah. And so, can you show us more about it? So this is a whole kit, and what comes
whole
inside
kit.
the kit?
And when you get the kit, you get these
Cards.
cards
Uh-huh.
that you can put these dots and there's L, medium, and small.
Sure.
You can see if there's like L, the large, medium, and small. There's so much of them too.
Okay. So then you get to choose the color when you put them on.
You get to choose the color.
So show me what the card looks like. Show me the
card-
card you're working on.
It's a butterfly, but
I see the L, the M's,
Yeah.
and the S's. Okay.
yeah, if you look like right here, you can see dotted lines.
Uh-huh.
That's where you put these two on.
Okay. And so you get to choose the color patterns and have
Yes.
fun with it.
My-
And then what else comes with it? It looks like you have some tape and
Yeah, you got
some.
some tape and like these stands.
Okay. And what's that thing there?
This?
Yeah.
These are
Oh,
instructions.
so it comes with instructions too, so you
Yes.
don't have to figure it all out on your own.
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Would you think other people should get it?
Yes.
Do you think it's good for boys and girls, from little kids to big kids?
Yes.
So do you think they won't be disappointed if they buy it?
Nope.
It would make a pretty cool gift. You would like to have it too?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.